Good morning, everybody. It is 8/29/2025, and the time is 10:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just thought I'd make a real quick video. I made a video before I got a phone call last night from where my car is at, and they told me that they're going to change something that has to do with the cylinder area. I don't know whether it's a sensor or what, but they said that they went over it and they decided to change that one thing. And if that one thing does not fix the issue, which apparently is what could be causing all four codes, then it is definitely going to end up being the computer in my car. So I am trying to figure out, hopefully, we're hoping, we've got our fingers crossed, you guys. We're going to cross our fingers that this will be a fix. So I have gone ahead and told them to go ahead and do the work. And I'm going to pray that I can figure this out. But I've told them to go ahead and do the work because I can't be without a car, of course. You know, I've got a kid and a life and other things. And this next week I got bills I got to pay and rent I got to pay, and then back to being broke again. So anyway, you know how that goes. Anyhow, just thought I'd make a real quick video, let you guys know just a little bit of an update. I'll know more when I either get a call or get picked up to go get the car. I'll find out more then and I'll know more then. But for now, just thought I'd give y'all a quick update, and that's what I know. I don't know much, but that's what I know. So anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well today. And yeah, it's a beautiful day outside today. It's the first day that I haven't seen a hazy gray sky. Blue clouds. Blue with no clouds, actually. There are no clouds in sight anywhere. So it's nice. And the temperature here is 79 degrees. So it's going to be very high UV starting at about 2 p.m. today. And I wonder what we have in the way for tropics, because I haven't been paying much attention, but I could give y'all a tropical update real quick. So let's take a look at what the tropics are doing. Well, remember that area I told y'all off of South Africa to be keeping an eye out for? It's right here. It's got a 0% chance during the next 48 hours and a 30% chance over the next 7 days. So we shall see what happens. I was looking at Windy, but I didn't see much happening. Looks like it might just be hopefully another fishy storm. So we're just going to keep an eye on that. Let's see what we've had for earthquakes. Let's see if what our fives are for today. I got 5 on it. Okay, let's see here. So for today, today's the 29th, we've had one 5.5 earthquake, 84 kilometers deep, Rat Islands, Aleutian Islands. That's from the other day. We also had a 5.9 Rat Islands, Aleutian Islands. That was on the 28th. So that was yesterday. So that could probably be an aftershock. I'm looking at the area, so it's probably an aftershock. Anyways, just something we're going to be seeing. Let's see here. We'll check 4s. See if we've had any here. Don't see any more, so it's either an earthquake or an aftershock. All right, so what we got for Canada? In our Canada. Oh, we can just do it this way. All right, anything new for today? Yesterday there was a 0.8 known earthquake, 29 kilometers west-southwest of Lake Cowichan, British Columbia. So British Columbia is over here. Let's see here. I don't see where it is. Maybe it's in this little bundle right here. Nope. Lake Cowichan. I'm looking for Lake Cowichan. Heck, I don't know where it is, but nope. That's on the 23rd. Well, I don't see it, but I'm sure y'all will be like, it's there, it's there, it's there. I see it, it's there. But I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it, you guys, but it's there somewhere. Okay, so within all these dots here in British Columbia, it's there somewhere. Alright, you guys, so that's what I got for you. I hope y'all are doing well today. If y'all haven't, check out my Buy Me a Coffee site. I have had that page for a very long time. And I do put updates and stuff and pictures and things on there for those people that are not friends with me on Facebook. It's more like my update log journal page thing. Anyways, you guys, I love you. Please go out, tell somebody that you love them, tell somebody that you care, and have a great day. Have an awesome weekend. Okay, you guys? I love you.